Quick video to show you how to do a color splash edit. A color splash is where the image is black and white and part of it is still in color. Now there are multiple ways of doing this. I'm just going to show you a really simple way and the way that I would personally do it. So first of all, I'd make sure that my locked layer here is rasterized, separate layer as well. Obviously you know it's rasterized if it's got that little symbol. If it's a smart object, if it's got the symbol there, we want it raster, so we need to go like that, double click, or I can't remember, and normally it's rasterize layer just there. From there we are going to make a copy of the layer, so I'm just going to control C, control V, and it's duplicated. I have that image twice now. Now on the top image, I'm going to go to adjustments, hue saturation, and then drop that all the way down. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this layer. So remember to switch layers. I'm going to go to the bottom layer and I'm going to go on my quick selection tool. And I'm just going to select all the bits I want to stay in color. Now with this, obviously you're going to have to change the size of your quick selection tool to get all the details and the little bits. And there we are. Last few things here. I'm not going to worry about it being too perfect, otherwise we'll be here all day. And then once I've got all these kind of ready orange bits selected, I'm just going to go in with the minus sign here, and this is just going to help me deselect some areas that I don't want to be in color that might have been selected when I was trying to get those color bits. And obviously you guys could just go in and get all these tiny little bits, but as I said, we'll be here all day if I'm doing that. Actually I do want to just get that bit, don't want it looking too rubbish. Okay, then all I'm going to do is go back to this layer with this still selected, and then I'm just going to press backspace, which deletes. And simple as, I've got that color splash effect. Hope this is useful to you. Enjoy.